Google Pixel Fold has been in the news for quite a while now, and it is the highly anticipated and first foldable device from Google. It is expected to be announced at Google I/O this year alongside the Pixel 7 series and new Pixel Watch. The Pixel Fold remained unfolded during the event, and new leaks have floated ever since. Now we've got a news from 91 Mobiles, which suggests what to expect from the first foldable phone from Google. Android developer Kuba Voice tells 91 Mobiles the external and internal displays of the Pixel Fold will be made by Samsung, which doesn't come as a surprise considering the relationship between both companies. The main display will apparently feature a peak brightness of 1200 nits with an average brightness of 800 nits, and support for a max resolution of 1840 by 2208 pixels, based on the given dimensions which you're seeing on the screen now. The Pixel Fold's primary screen diagonal could come in at around 7.6 inches. And if that is the case, then the display would have a 379 ppi pixel density and a 6:5 aspect ratio. And by contrast, 9:5 Google believes that the outer display has a 2100 by 1080 pixel resolution, hinting at a wider but shorter footprint than the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Unsurprisingly, the Pixel Fold is rumored to feature a side-mounted capacitive fingerprint sensor. One rumor suggested that the Pixel Fold could have a novel solution to avoiding the notch. The rumors suggested it could have the camera on the bezel of the phone, or it could do away with a camera altogether when the phone is opened out. This rumor seems to have substance. Google's latest patents show in bezel camera instead of a notch or pinhole. This means that the Pixel Fold could opt for the under-display camera at the expense of having as little bezel as possible, claiming that the device will ship with 5 cameras, and all including 3 at the back and 2 selfie cameras for the 2 displays. Google does not comment on rumors relating to unreleased products, and no release date has yet been set for the Pixel Fold. Previous rumors have suggested it will launch at some point in 2023 with an anticipated price of around $1,400 less than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Apple is also expected to debut folding phone potentially as early as next year. The so-called iPhone Flip is predicted to have much larger screen than its rivals. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.